Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix DirectX error. A cabinet file necessary for installation cannot be trusted in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to bring up your Google Chrome or whatever browser that is present in your Windows or computer. That's good to go, okay? So just have to wait until you are being redirected to that browser itself. In my case, I am using the Google Chrome browser. Okay, here at the search bar at the center, you need to type for DirectX space offline space installer. Once you have typed that, click on enter to continue and wait until you are being redirected to the list of results. Okay, so once you're here at the list of results, you'd be able to see a lot of options. We're here, you need to proceed on the very first, which contains a link under Microsoft.com website. Just have to click on it and wait again until you are being redirected to this DirectX user runtimes. Okay, here it asks you to select a language that you prefer that you would understand. Click this arrow icon and choose the language that would specify into your country or origin. Just have to select it. And in my case, I'll be going with English since I would be able to understand such language. Okay, once you have set the language that you would prefer, click on download and wait until you are being redirected to the downloaded of this file. Okay, so in my case, I won't be downloading such since I have already downloaded it. I'm not going to click this download option because again, I have already downloaded the file. In your case, you have to download it. Once you have downloaded it, just have to close this window and then proceed to your file explorer. Okay, here at the file explorer, okay, you need to go first to your downloads. Okay. And there you go. You'd be able to see this DirectX, I mean, the file that we have just downloaded. Just have to try to copy it. Okay. And try to paste it here at the desktop. Do a right click this paste icon. And once it is being pasted here, proceed to your file explorer again and choose your C drive. You can also choose your, I mean, local disk. I mean, your USB flash drive, sorry. So this is the local disk already. You can also choose your USB flash drive or your C drive. Any of that. Just have to do a right click here, go with new, okay, and go with folder. So name this DirectX. Click on enter. Once you have named it, close this file explorer and open your DirectX file or application. Click on yes in this window. And here, just have to browse. Click on browse. Okay. And here, you need to close all of this first. Scroll down. Okay. And you need to look for the file that we have just created here. Click on OK. Click on OK to continue. Okay, so it's now starting to extract. Just have to wait until it will be extracted. Okay, once done, proceed to your file explorer, click on it. Okay, and you need to go with your C drive, click on it once again. Proceed to the folder that we have just created, DirectX, click on it. And here you need to scroll down and look for this DX setup. Once you have find it, just have to double tap it. And your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes. And there you go. You would be able to open the Microsoft DirectX. Okay, just have to click on I accept the agreement. Okay, and here you need to click on next and just have to click on next once again. Okay? And wait until this initializing will be done. Okay? So that's it. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.